Hey class, today I'm going to show you how to upload an assignment to Canvas. I'm using the biotechnology course, but it's the same way for the statistics course, excuse me. And so really quick, this is what it looks like. So when you log in and you click on the course from your dashboard, you'll come to this welcome page. All of these are clickable links, really interesting stuff, so check those out. But if you come over here to the left, you'll click on modules. And then for modules, you'll see my welcome with some contact info, our classroom norms, and then our live meetings link. We did this our first week, right? The calm before the storm. But let's scroll down here. This is our unit 1, and this will build over time. So this is an assignment that you'll have coming up that we're going to work on in class on this Friday, the 14th of August. So let's say you're finished with it. You click on it. And you can see up here, kind of gives you some feedback or gives you the instructions, tells you when it's due, how to submit it, right? It's a file upload. You will have one attempt to upload it. No points because it's going to be on a rubric basis, the proficiency scale. If you want a template, the template's here, and make a copy of it first. But when you submit the assignment, come over here on the blue button and click submit. And choose your file from your computer. So I'm just going to choose my random file. Once you see that it's been uploaded, you just click on submit assignment. And yay, confetti, right? So once you see the confetti, it's a good sign, but you can always double check and just say over here and you see submission, it's been submitted at what time and date. If you have questions, please feel free to email me. I'd be more than happy to walk you through this. But I figured this video was super helpful as well.